Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share the top free software that every student should install. I think these are really useful tools that can help you study more effectively and also save some money. So let's get started. So first up is LibreOffice. It's an open source software that provides a free alternative to Microsoft Office. You get tools like LibreOffice Writer, which is like Microsoft Word. Then you have Calc, which is similar to Excel. And then you have a tool called Impress, which is like Microsoft PowerPoint. The best thing is it's fully offline. You don't need an internet connection to use it. It works on all three major operating systems: Windows, Mac, and Linux. Next up is Google Workspace. Now this is a cloud-based software that provides a free alternative to Microsoft Office. With Google Workspace, you get tools like Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. Because this is a cloud-based software, you can access your documents from anywhere, and it also automatically saves your work. Another great feature of Google Workspace is that you can collaborate with others in real time. So if you're working on a group project, you can easily share your document with others and work together. Next up is a tool called Anki. It's a powerful flashcard tool that uses a technique. It's called space repetition to help you memorize information more effectively. Space repetition is a learning technique that has been proven to be very effective in helping people remember things for a long period of time. Anki uses algorithms to help you optimize your study sessions. The best thing about Anki is that it's completely free and it's available for all major platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, and even mobile devices. You can also sync your data between devices so you can start studying on your desktop and finish it off on your phone. I personally use Anki to learn a new language, and I've found it to be extremely helpful. But it's also great for medical students, law students, and anyone else who needs to memorize a lot of information. Next up is a reference management software called Zotero. Now managing references and citations can be a time-consuming task, but Zotero makes it easy. You can use it to store, organize, and cite your research sources in a fast and easy way. Zotero can help you save a lot of time and effort when writing research papers or essays. One of the best things about Zotero is that it's completely free, and it's available for all major platforms: Windows, Mac, and Linux. It also integrates well with other reference management software such as Mendeley and EndNote. Next up is a free screen recorder and live stream tool called OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a free and open source software that lets you record your screen and webcam and live stream your gameplay and other activities. It's a powerful software that's used by professionals to live stream their gameplay and other activities. But it's also great for students who want to record their online classes or create tutorial videos. OBS Studio is available for all major platforms: Windows, Mac, and Linux. Next up is Grammarly, which is a free writing assistant tool. Grammarly is a free software that checks your grammar, spelling, and punctuation in real time. It's a great tool for students who write a lot of essays or other written assignments. Grammarly is available as a desktop app for Windows and Mac, and it also has a browser extension that works with all major browsers. With the free plan, you get basic grammar and spelling suggestions, and you can use it with Google Docs, Ms. Word, and other writing apps. Next up is Visual Studio Code, or VS Code. It's a lightweight code editor developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Although it's primarily used for writing code, you can also use it for taking notes. VS Code is a versatile tool that can be customized to meet your specific needs. Now, if you're looking for a free and powerful text editor, VS Code is definitely worth checking out. And if you want to use it for writing notes, you can use the Markdown plugins to format your notes. Next up is 7-Zip or pzip. These are free file extraction and compression tools. Most of us end up paying for tools like WinDraw or WinZip, but 7-Zip and pzip are free tools that do the same job. 7-Zip is a free and open source file archiver that supports a wide range of file formats including zip, rar, and tar. While pzip is a freeware file archiver that offers additional features such as a built-in file manager and support for more file formats. Next up is a password manager called Bitwarden. A password manager is an app that helps you keep all of your passwords safe and secure. It's important to have a password manager because many of us use the same password for multiple accounts. And if one of those accounts gets hacked, then all of your other accounts are also at risk. is a free password manager that syncs across all of your devices so you can access your passwords from anywhere. And finally, we have F-Lux or Windows Nightlight. These are tools that can help reduce eye strain by changing the color temperature of your screen. At night, our eyes are not able to adjust to the bright blue light emitted from screens, and this can cause eye strain and make it harder to fall asleep. F-Lux and Windows Nightlight are tools that can help by changing the color temperature of your screen to a warmer color at night. Alright guys, that's it for this video. It's your host. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome tech content. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.